back. Now today I'm getting ready to create 5 different centerpieces. We have a family member that is getting ready to get married and her name is Rondalyn. So we're going to congratulate her and her fiance. Yay! And again, I'm getting ready to create 5 different centerpieces using her wedding colors, which are purple and royal blue. They are so pretty together. So you guys, y'all ready to create? Now, if this is your first time to this channel, go ahead on and push that subscribe button and that like button and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. You ready to create? Let's create. Rondalyn, one of our family members, wrote, "I love this. Can't wait to get ideas using my wedding colors of royal blue and purple. I want to see if they will blend well." Well, Rhonda, help is on its way. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is glue all my flowers onto my foam ball. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put my long stem flowers inside my vase. I bent both of my stems and placed them inside of my vase so that I can put my floral arrangement on top of my vase. Then I took my leaves and spread them apart on both sides of my flowers. I didn't like the way this centerpiece turned out, so I decided to do something different. I decided to place the tall flowers inside of a vase that I purchased from the Dollar Tree instead. I bent the stems of the flowers instead of cutting it because I plan on using these flowers again for another project. I added tea lights to the bottom of my vases. Okay, here's centerpiece number 2. I took 2 vases from the Dollar Tree and some diamond wrap. I took the 2 vases, I glued it on top of one another. I took the diamond wrap and I glued it on top of the vase. Then I took a LED light, placed it inside the top of the vase and under the vase so that the entire vase can light up. I took 2 strings of decorative beads and I glued it on opposite sides of the foam ball and just let it hang. I placed my floral arrangement on top of my vase. Now if you want to make your vase a little taller, just glue one more vase on top of your other vases and there you have it. But if you want to leave it this size, this will be fine. Okay, with project number 3, I'm going to use an Eiffel vase and 1 string of lights. I'm going to apply some glue on the rim of my vase. Then I'm going to place my floral arrangement right on top of my vase. For my 4th centerpiece, I turned my vase upside down. Then I used a round cardboard box that I glued some diamond wrap around it. I placed it on top of my vase. Then I put my floral arrangement inside of my round cardboard box and created another beautiful centerpiece. Here is centerpiece number 5. I have to recreate it because I forgot to push record. Now I purchased this vase from Hobby Lobby. It was 80% off its original price. For this centerpiece, all I did was set my floral arrangement on top of my vase. I added a LED light so it can light up my vase. There you have it. I have completed 5 beautiful centerpieces. Rondalyn girl, I hope I have given you some ideas for your upcoming wedding. Congratulations again to you and your fiance. Okay, I couldn't stop. I had to add 2 more additional centerpieces. I had so many ideas in my mind. I hope everyone liked each and every centerpiece that I made.